Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to share photos with Quick Share on any Android phone. Now to do that, first of all, just enable Quick Share on your both devices. Now to do that, just swipe down from the top of the screen and open the control center on your both devices. After that, just tap on Quick Share. Now if you cannot find the Quick Share icon in your control center, just tap on Edit. Now just go to the Edit section and from here just select the Quick Share icon from here. Now once you add the Quick Share icon to your control center, just tap on Done. Now after you add Quick Share to your control center, just tap on Quick Share on both devices. Now instead of No One, just select Everyone. Then tap on Done. Now, after you enable Quick Share, just open the Gallery app on the device from which you want to transfer the photos. Now, just select the photos which you want to transfer. Now, once you select the photos which you want to transfer, just tap on Share. Now, just select Quick Share. Now, under Recommended, you will find the signal of your other device. Just tap on it. Now, on your other device, just select Accept. Now, as you can see, we have successfully transferred the photos from our first device to our second device. Now just tap on Open. And this is how you can share photos with Quick Share on any Android phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.